Hi, this is Juliana again. I'm glad you're here. This is, thanks for taking out a few minutes to learn something new. And today I'm going to be doing the Tuesday DIY at noon, a show on how to make your own chocolate mousse. Now I'm making it with avocado to keep it, nice and healthy. And so one of the things, a lot of times people are looking for ways to have when you have a sweet tooth and you want something really decadent, but you don't want to really be terrible to your body. This is a wonderful version of that because it has, avocado is a healthy fat, and you can replace high cholesterol foods with avocado. So it's awesome. Some of the other things is avocados are 100% cholesterol free. There are 20 vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients in a serving. There's 8% of your daily fiber, and it helps your body absorb fat soluble nutrients. The other thing is that fiber, for those of you who are in the diabetes maybe category, they've found that fiber potentially can help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. So you have a lot of fiber in this, and this is a disease. This is a wonderful, healthy, decadent dessert. Easy to make. Okay, here we go. A lot of times people have heard about mousse and they don't even try it because they know it takes forever, it takes lots of dishes, and you need a lot of knowledge on how to make that French dessert. Well, here this tastes very similar, and it just has a few ingredients, and it really does take 5 minutes. The only thing is part of it's going to be loud because I've got this Cuisinart food processor. So other than that, I'll show you how to make it. All right, so the ingredients, so we're going to start with, I started making, a double boiler instead of a double. If you don't have it, just use a pan, and then put another pan inside it to melt the chocolate. So we have two kinds of chocolate. We have 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, preferably 60% dark, and then we're going to have unsweetened cocoa. So the first thing I'm going to put that aside. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the avocado. You need 2 ripe avocado. You need them ripe because if they're not, they don't have that flavor and that creaminess. And we're looking for creamy. So here, and then you just cut it in half and just scoop it out and put that in the food processor. There's one. Take out some of that thing. All right, and then everybody there's ways to get these out. There's another 2. And, sometimes you can also save the skins. And if you're going to be planning on doing a facial, and you can use the inside of the skin and rub that, wipe that leftover on your skin and leave it for like 10 minutes. And this is avocado oil. It's wonderful for your skin. Anyway, so there you go. There's that. Now I've got the second avocado. And as you can see, I'm just cutting it around like that. And then I'm twisting it like that, and it opens it up, and then I'm scooping it out, and there's that, and almost the second one. This probably is other than opening the bag, this is probably taking the longest of anything because this is so easy to make. All right, there's that. So see how ripe avocados work so well? They just come right out. All right, so there you go. That's 2 avocados. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in this melted chocolate chips that this is actually melted chocolate. So, and I did it ahead of time, partly for time saving for this show. But the other thing is that you want to let it cool just a little bit. So, because if you want to eat it, you can eat it when you're done. It takes 5 minutes. Or you can chill it and have it later, and it's a little bit more. All right, there's that. And now I'm going to take the powdered cocoa, and this one I'm going to be taking 3 tablespoons. There's 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, and this is raw and organic. And one of the benefits I think of making your own things is, if you're going to be making them, make them organic, make them natural, make them with local ingredients when possible. Okay, so then the next thing is that I'm using this unsweetened nut milk. This is macadamia, but you can use whatever milk you want. I just prefer nut milk, so this is a vegan version. There's that. And then 1/8 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. And a teaspoon of vanilla, pure vanilla extract. And that's it. So you put all that in. A little extra there. All right, there's that. And then we're going to turn it on. So I have the chocolate melted, 2 large avocados that are ripe, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of nut milk. You can do a half, a little bit more if you want it more creamy. And then a teaspoon of pure vanilla and 1/8 of a teaspoon of... Now, also, if you want it a little bit sweeter, I'm going to make it just a little sweeter. And you can put in dates, or you can also put in, like I'm going to put in maple syrup, but you can put in agave. So I'm going to put in a couple of teaspoons. There's 1, 2, 3. Now, for people who are the diabetic ones, you'd want to put stevia or something like that in. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to put the top on. This Cuisinart, by the way, my son bought in Japan. And so it's a little different. So here we go. Put your ear things on. It's not too bad. So you just keep watching it, and you just want to do it till it's creamy, and it doesn't take too long. And then you may want to taste it along the way, and also push down the sides along the way. So I'm going to open this up and push the sides down. It's almost done. See, that didn't take long, did it? So there's that, and I'm going to... Oh, delicious. I mean, come on. There we go. Almost done. That's it. So, then you take, whatever, sorry, I didn't have this ready. So you can get some little dessert bowls, and you put open this up, and you put them in a little, and you can serve them. If you're vegan, you can make your, coconut or some kind of nut whipped cream. If you, maybe a couple of raspberries, and that's it. So like I said, I'm going to eat this now, but you can also put it in the fridge and have it, now this makes 4 half-cup servings. And you can freeze it and make fudgesicles too if you want. That's kind of good. Anyway, that's it. So I'm going to eat my mousse, and there we go. Yum. Have a great day. I'll see you next Tuesday. We're going to be making another surprise. Bye-bye.